Hello everyone, it's Ira from gmailfiend and welcome back to another video. First of all, thank you for choosing to watch this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. So for today, we're going to be teaching you how to find an accidentally archived email. So for example, I will be accidentally clicking the archive right here, and then where does my email go? So this is how you find it. So you can go to here on mail, and then you can see easily the email that you have archived, which is this one. So what you're going to be doing to bring it back to the inbox is right click and then move to inbox. And there you have it. That's how you find an accidentally archived email. So in order for you to see your archived email, you just need to click this all email and then look for the emails that you want to see. As you can see, we have here the labels. Like for example, if I archive this one, it won't be included in the inbox. So we also have here the muted emails, and there you have it. So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video updates from us. And thank you very much for watching. Bye! See you on our next one.